Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want to wake up to a different alarm sound, your favorite song, or a more relaxing tone on your Android phone? In this video, I will show you how to change your alarm sound on Android in just a few simple steps, no extra apps needed. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Open alarm sound settings. Choose your alarm sound. Save your alarm. Let's break it down step by step. But step number 1, open the clock app. First, open the clock app on your Android phone. Then tap the alarm tab. From here, select an existing alarm or tap add alarm to create a new one. Step number 2, open alarm sound settings. Tap on alarm sound, ringtone, or sound, depending on your phone model. You will now see a list of available alarm tones. Tap each sound to preview it. Step number 3, choose your alarm sound. Select the sound you want to use. Some Android phones may also allow you to choose music from your phone, Spotify or streaming apps, custom audio files. Once selected, confirm your choice. Step number 4, save your alarm. After choosing your alarm sound, tap save or simply go back. Make sure your alarm is turned on so the changes will apply. Bonus tip: if you want a smoother wake-up experience, choose a gradually increasing alarm volume or a soft tone to avoid sudden loud sounds. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Menu names and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to change your alarm sound on Android. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.